Hello everyone, welcome back to Caterpillar. In the previous section, we discussed asexual reproduction. This slide is also a continuation of the same. Let's begin. Suppose I want to plant a new rose, what will I do? Surely, I will cut a stem from the existing rose and put it into the soil. So this type of propagation of new plants by using the vegetative parts is known as vegetative propagation. So in vegetative propagation, we use plant parts other than floral parts. This type of reproduction, vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. The plant parts used varies from plants to plant. Suppose if I want to plant a hibiscus, surely I will use a stem cutting. And if I want to plant a potato, I use tuber. So the plant part used is known as vegetative propagule. The plant part used for vegetative propagation, vegetative propagule. So my question is vegetative reproduction is also a type of asexual reproduction? Yes or no? Surely it is yes. The reason is that only single parent is involved and offsprings are identical to the parents and to the siblings. Here in vegetative reproduction, it is uniparental. There is no participation of two parents and the offsprings are exactly similar to the parent, that is clones. And the vegetative propagules commonly used are runner, sucker, offset, rhizome, tuber, bulb, leaf buds and bulbule. Let's discuss each one of this in detail. First, runner. As seen in this image, a lateral branch arises from the axillary bud of the existing plant and upon touching the ground, it produces new leaflets. So this is runner. And the common example for runner is centella. Next is the sucker. Sucker is also similar to runner, but the difference is that sucker is under the soil and runner is above the soil. The common example for sucker is the chrysanthemum. Next, vegetative propagule is the offset. It shows in water hyacinth or iconia. And this water hyacinth or iconia is introduced into India by British colonials in 1896 due to its beautiful flower and shape of leaves. But it was an accident because, or we can say it is a tragedy because due to the presence of offset that help for vegetative propagation and due to the absence of its natural enemies, this water hyacinth covers all of the or major water bodies of India within years like this. And this makes the habitat destroyed and other organisms cannot survive here because they did not get enough oxygen or sunlight. And this water hyacinth is known as terror of Bengal. These three, that is runner, sucker, offset, are subaerial stem modifications. Next vegetative propagule is the rhizome. The common example is ginger and banana. Tuber, example potato, and bulb, example onion. And this tuber, rhizome and bulb, these three vegetative propagules are underground stem modification. You know that a stem may contain node and internode. In the rhizome of ginger, tuber of potato, you can see the node and internode very clearly. In potato, the node is termed as eye of potato, and from this each I, new plantlets or new shoot emerges. In bulb example, onion. In onion, the stem is highly reduced and you can see the root emerges from it. And the leaf is modified for food storage. Underground stem modification examples are rhizome, tuber, bulb. And vegetative propagules by leaves. Leaf bud of bryophyllum is the example for vegetative propagation by leaves. Next vegetative propagule is the bulbule. Agave and pineapple are the common example. In this, reproductive organ develops into bulbules. They grow into new plants after falling on the ground. And bulbule is the fleshy specialized bud. And in pineapple, it is produced from the reproductive part. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.